Hi guys, let's unbox this my Apple MacBook Air M1 model. So from the touch unboxing first, then the classic white color box of Apple products. So packing sealed pack. You can see that. So this is an 8 GB RAM, 256 GB memory, 13-inch laptop. Let's open the seal now. After opening the seal, you can see the touch packing. So let's first, what are the features? 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chip with 8-core GPU, 7-core GPU, 8-core CPU, and 13.3-inch Retina LED backup display with two Thunderbolt or USB ports, and lightweight is about, and the weight is about 129, with stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 6, FaceTime HD camera, and already installed. As per the weight, it's about 1.29 kgs only. Now let's unbox this. Let's unbox this now. Okay, this is our laptop, space gray color model number is 2337. So you get the Type C charger, Type C cable, with paperwork, and a Type C adapter. Thank you guys for watching. I'll share the link in the description.